Hello everybody, this is ASMR, and tonight I have another eye exam / color test with some charts. Take them out. On this chart, I have my pointer here, and I want you to tell me what animal or insect do you see on this chart? A caterpillar, yes. How many do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now look at the caterpillars. So they all have these different colors, don't they? So I'm going to point to a specific color on the caterpillar, and I want you to tell me what color I'm pointing to. Yellow, yes. Green. Yes, green again. Pink. That's blue. Red. Purple. Excellent. Now look at the caterpillar's bodies. Does one look shorter than the others? This one, yes. So let's count how many circles make up the caterpillar's body, as you think. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the same, and then this one will be shorter. So let's see how many circles make up their bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if we go down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the shortest caterpillar. Very good. You didn't have any trouble with that, with the counting of the numbers. Now, let's try this one. So, can you read these words up here? Caterpillar, color, patterns. Excellent. Let's take a look at this. Now, how many caterpillars do you count? Well, let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 caterpillars here. Now there's also a whole bunch of colors here. So let's count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. Now some of these colors look very similar, like this one and this one, but they're very slightly different. You just can't really tell on the camera. And the same thing with the blue here and the blue here, they look almost identical. But in real life, this one is a little bit lighter. But before we go any further, I'm going to point to some colors on this paper, and I want you to tell me which color I'm pointing to, okay? White, yes. Green, excellent. Purple. Yes, yellow. Orange. Red. What's this color? Like a light orange, okay. Can you see the difference between this color and this color? And of these two colors, which is lighter? Excellent. What color is this? Blue. This one? Also blue. Yes. So now let's move to the caterpillars. So again, I'm going to point, and you're just going to tell me what color I'm pointing to. Yes, red. Purple. Yellow. Yellow again. Yes. Can you see the difference between this yellow and this yellow? Which is lighter? This one, yes. Now what color is this? Orange. And this color here is kind of a mix between the yellow and the orange, isn't it? It's here. Red. What's here? Blue. What's here? Purple. Yes. Now take a look at these caterpillars. Do you see any caterpillars that are the same colors? Not necessarily the same order, but the same colors. You do? Okay, point them out to me. The green and red and the red and green. Very good. These are the same colors. The blue and purple and the purple and blue. Excellent. They are indeed the same colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4 have the same colors. And which caterpillar is the most uniform? Which one doesn't have many colors? This one at top. Very, very good. So which of these do you like the best? I can see that. I think they're all cute. But honestly, this one reminds me the most of that Very Hungry Caterpillar book. I used to love that book when I was a little bear girl. That's what he reminds me of. Or she. So very good. You had no trouble with that one. So now I'm going to try one more basic color sheet before we move on to something a little bit more complicated. So this one here, it's very befitting because St. Patrick's Day just passed. So it says it's about shamrocks, and it claims that there are 21 different colors of shamrocks on the sheet. So let's count the shamrocks and see if they're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, I see a problem. There are indeed 21 shamrocks, but it says here that there are 21 different colors, and I see 2 that are the same color. Can you look at the sheet and tell me which 2 are the same color? And what color is this? And this? Black. Very good. Just like my pointer without the sparkles. So now that we've established that, I'm going to point to some things on the chart, and I just want you to tell me what I'm pointing to. What is this here? A word. What is this word? Shamrocks. Very good. And can you see here? What is this animal? It's a cartoon, but what is the cartoon depicting? Yes, an alligator or a crocodile. Very good. And this shape here, are the lines straight or curved around this circular shape? They're curved, yes, like a cloud. Excellent. Okay, so you have no trouble with shapes. Now I'm going to point to the colors, and I want you to tell me what color I'm pointing to, okay? Yellow. Excellent. Orange. Gray. This is also pink. Can you see the difference between this pink and this pink? Which is darker? This one, excellent. This color. Blue. This one. Blue also. Between this one and this one, which one's brighter? Very good. What color is this? Purple, okay. And what color is this? Also purple. And of these two, which one is a cooler tone of purple? This one. Excellent. What color is this? Blue as well. And how does this blue differ from this blue and this blue? Is it darker? It is indeed. What's this color? Beige or skin tone? Yeah. This one. White. This one. Black. Also black. Yes, you remembered that. Very good. This color here. Yeah, it's like a... In real life, it's maroon, but on camera, it looks brown. So, does this color look like a mix of this one and this one to you? If so, then you're right. Now, what color is this? Green. This one? Also green. This one? Yep, green too. This is green as well, yep. So of these greens, which is the darkest? Very good. Which is the lightest? Good. And which color green looks the most like it's been mixed with this color brown? Very good. And which color green looks the closest to the classic Irish St. Patrick's Day green? Very good. You're very good at your colors. No problem there. So now we're just going to move on to something a little bit more complicated. So here I'm going to be asking you to identify colors, shapes, and patterns, okay? So I want you to take a look at this chart, and I want you to firstly tell me what each of these items is. So each row, there's a different row, right? Each row has some different items, right? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 rows, okay? And now what we're going to do is look at the top row here. Can you identify what these are? What items are these? Or objects? They're presents. Very good. And what color is this present? Pink or purple? Yes. Here? Yes, it's like a blue or a teal. Very good. Now, underneath that, what are these items? These are balloons. Yes, yes. And what color is this balloon? Yellow. What's this one? Purple. Excellent. And what are these? Cupcakes. Very good. And how many colors of cupcakes do you see? 2. Very good. So what color is the icing on this cupcake? Green. Very good. And what color is the icing on this cupcake? Yeah, it's like a teal. Very good. And can you see the difference between this color and this color? Which one's pinker? This, yes. And this is more orange. Very, very good. Now what items are these? What are these objects? Also presents. Very good. And what colors do you see? This one? Green. And pink, yes. And which one's bigger? The green. Very good. And finally on this row, what do you see? How many items? 2? Very good. So what do you see? Cupcakes and lollipop. Excellent. And what color is this on the cupcake? What color is the icing? Pink. And what color is the bottom part? Green. And what color is this lollipop? It's red and white. Yes, it's like a peppermint. And all the cupcakes the same. Are all the cupcakes in this row the same? Mm-hmm. And the lollipops the same? Yes. Now, how many types of cupcakes do you see in this entire chart? 3. Very good. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 different types of cupcakes. And how many types of presents do you see? 4. Very good. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And which present's the biggest? Very good. And what's the smallest? Excellent. So you're having no trouble with this portion of it. Now, how many items are in each column? Let's count. Well, I guess we can. This is technically one column, but we can go into here too. So let's count all the items on each line, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each line has a lucky number 7. Now the other thing is that, can you read the text up here? What comes next, it asks. And the instructions say that we have to circle the picture that comes next. So what we do here is that we focus on one column, or line rather, at a time. So let's focus here. So we have pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. What do you think comes next? The blue, you're right. Very good. Now, here we have yellow balloon, purple balloon, yellow balloon. What comes next? Yellow balloon. Excellent. Now, here we have one teal cupcake, one green cupcake, two green cupcake, one teal cupcake, one green cupcake. So what would come next in this pattern? Another green cupcake. Excellent. Because for every one teal cupcake, there's 2 green ones. Now let's look at this one. This looks a bit tricky. We have 1 green present, 2 green present, 3 green present, 1 little pink present, 1 green present. What would come next? Yes, another green present. Because the way that this pattern goes, there would be 1 pink present only after there have been 3 big green presents. And then finally down here we have 1 pink cupcake, 1 lollipop, 1 pink cupcake, 1 lollipop, 1 pink cupcake, and what would come next? Yes, 1 lollipop. Very good. That was a bit anticlimactic. It was quite simple. But you're very good with these. So, let's try another one and see what happens. So firstly, can you see what these are? These are leaves, yes. Now, can you see the different shapes of the leaves? Yes, we have a couple of different shapes and sizes, don't we? So firstly, let's just make sure you're fine with the colors. So you have 1 red leaf. And what color is this? It's a yellow leaf. That's green. It's also red. What's this color? Purple. Now orange, green with that brown, and another orange. Very, very good. So let's take a look at each of these rows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows this time. But just like the other sheet, it asks us what color comes next, and then instructs us to finish the pattern. So let's just concentrate on one row at a time. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. And they're all the same shape, aren't they? So let's look at the pattern and see what could come next. Red, orange, red, orange, red. So what do you think will be the next pattern here? Orange, very good. I think so too. Let's go down here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. Again, all the same shape. Yellow leaf, brown leaf, yellow leaf, brown leaf. What do you think comes next? Another yellow leaf. I agree. Very good. Now down here, let's take a look. Now this is more complicated, isn't it? Because look, we have 2 different types of leaves, don't we? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves, but 2 different types. And we have green leaf, yellow leaf, green leaf, yellow leaf. And what would be this one? Green, yes, because of the shape of it and the color. Now down to this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves on this line. And again, they're very different shapes, aren't they? So we have yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. What do you think would be this color? Orange, right? Because it's orange in both its color and even the shape. The other 2 that are the same shape are also orange. Now down here, this leaf here is all the same shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This reminds me of the Canadian flag, maple leaf. But we have it red, green, red, green, red. And what would be this one? Green, very good. That reminds me of Christmas. And finally down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves, all the same shape. And let's go over the pattern here. So we have purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. What would be this shape? This color? Yellow, excellent. Out of all these leaves, do you have a favorite shape? I love them all. I really love leaves and trees, but I have to say, this is a very pretty leaf, the maple leaf. And it looks nice in both colors. So excellent. So now we have one more chart. Now this chart depicts some of my favorite things in the world. Shiny gemstones. Real or glass, I don't mind. As long as it's shiny, I like it. So, what comes next? So here we have something a little bit trickier because we have to figure out different shapes, different colors, and put them into these boxes, okay? Now, these here are not part of the pattern. These are your answer chest, basically. So we're going to read these, and then we're going to decide which of these 3 should go in here, okay? But before we begin, once again, let's go over some basic shapes and colors to make sure that you're still good there. So firstly, what color is the batter? It's yellow, very good. And what color is the stone? Yellow as well, very good. What's the stone? Blue. This one? Blue as well. And what shade of blue? Light, excellent. What color is this? Pink purple, very good. This one? Green, excellent. Up here? Red. What shape is this? It's an exclamation point. How many do you see? Do you see 3? 1, 2, 3, okay. Only 3? No, there's 4. There's one up here. And what color are the exclamation points? This one? Green, red, blue, and white. Excellent, excellent. And what shape is this? Square. What shape is this? Triangle or diamond? Very good. What shape is this? Yeah, it's a diamond shape, but if you turn it a little bit, it's a square. And then this here, this is like the classic cut stone shape. I actually do not know what you call this. This is like the classic gemstones in a ring shape. And the shape, square, very good. And what shape is this closest to? That's round. And in the classic diamond cut, this is what a diamond looks like from the side, and this is what it looks like from the top. So you're excellent with colors. Let's go ahead and figure out the patterns. We have round, square, triangle, round, square. What belongs in the box out of these three options? Which one goes in this box? Look at it. The triangle? Excellent, you're right. Because it's round, square, triangle, round, square, triangle. Very good. So that explanation, that question mark becomes an X, or check rather. You could do a check or an X, and then even a little exclamation point because you got it right. You should be happy. So this one looks a bit trickier, doesn't it? So we have yellow, red, green, yellow. So what goes here? And obviously this one is different from this one because this is all the same shape. So we have to go off the color. So look, what do you think would go next? Red. Excellent, you're right. Because the pattern is yellow, red, green. And then it would have to be yellow, yellow, and red before we get another green. So red goes in here. Very good. Now down here, we have all the same shape again with these little sparkles on them, little shimmers. So let's look to see which color goes in here. We have blue, green, blue, green. And what would go in here? Yes, another green. Because the pattern is blue, green, blue, green, and then another blue. So you're right. So that's all the color charts we have for right now. And you did excellent. You knew all the colors and all the shapes. And you're very smart. You knew pattern recognition, so you don't have anything to worry about cognitively or with your vision. So thank you for watching, and please check back to my channel soon for more videos. I have many more color chart tests coming up. I hope you enjoyed this eye exam color test, and I hope it helps you sleep and relax. Good night.